Wooden ships. Which wood was used and how much wood for a ship? The type of wood used for a wooden ship would depend on various factors, such as the availability of suitable timber in the local region, the intended use of the ship, and the preferences of the shipbuilder. However, some of the commonly used woods for shipbuilding include oak, pine, fir, cedar, teak, and mahogany. The amount of wood required for a ship would also vary depending on the size and type of the vessel. Generally, shipbuilders would start with the keel, stem, and stern post, and then add ribs or frames, planking, and decking. The keel would typically be made from a single piece of timber, while the other parts would be made from multiple pieces joined together. For example, a small fishing boat might require a few hundred board feet of lumber, while a larger merchant ship or warship could require tens of thousands of board feet. In the 18th century, a typical British naval ship of the line would require around 2,000 mature oak trees and up to 50 acres of woodland to construct.